and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about films, so let's get started. You could be asked the question, what is a film that really made you think? And you could say, the film that really got me thinking is Inception. What is the film about? The film revolves around the concept of entering dreams to influence people's decisions. When did you watch it? And where did you watch it? I watched it last year at a local cinema. Well, what did you like or dislike about this film? I really enjoyed this film. The intricate layers of dreams within dreams and the blurred lines between reality and imagination kept my mind engaged long after the film ended. Okay, so just 4 and a bit questions today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me. The mind's echo revolves around the life of a brilliant scientist who invented a technology that allows individuals to relive their memories. The film explores themes of identity, ethics, and the consequences of delving into one's past. The protagonist's journey to uncover hidden truths serves as a metaphor for the human quest for self-discovery. The film's thought-provoking nature prompted viewers to engage in discussions long after leaving the theatre. The mind's echo drew crowds from diverse backgrounds, as the captivating storytelling and skillful character development captured the attention of both casual moviegoers and avid cinephiles. The film's director masterfully employed visual and auditory cues to create a heightened sense of introspection. Flashbacks seamlessly intertwined with present-day scenes, challenging audiences to distinguish between reality and memory. The haunting musical score further enhanced the emotional impact, drawing viewers deeper into the protagonist's dynamics. Viewers reported discussing the film's implication with friends, family, and even strangers, underscoring the power of cinema to spark meaningful conversations. The mind's eye left an indelible mark on its audience, prompting contemplation about the nature of memory, the significance of personal history, and the potential consequences of tampering with one's past. Thought-provoking films have a lasting impact on our understanding of the world around us. Films like The Mind's Echo exemplify cinema's potential to go beyond mere entertainment and serve as a catalyst for introspection and dialogue. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our reading plan. It's our range of vocabulary and expressions. Please read along with me and try to take them and incorporate into your own language. Quest for self-discovery, captivating storytelling, thought-provoking, stimulating, deep thinking or contemplation, intricate themes, avid cinephiles, engaging discussions, visual and auditory cues, seamlessly intertwined, haunting musical score, heightened sense of introspection, spark meaningful conversations, implications, indelible mark, catalysts for introspection, intellectual stimulation, cinematic experience, diverse backgrounds, narrative depth, emotional impact, and dream plot. Draw crowd, delve into, revolve around, leave an indelible mark. Serve as a catalyst, underscore the power, exemplify, go beyond mere entertainment, lasting impact. Underlying expressions, cinematic potential, affect our understanding, stimulating dialogue, prompting viewers, narrating a story, heightened sense. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go putting some of these into your own words at home. Describe a film that made you think. What about, can you talk about a movie that provoked a lot of thought in you? What was the film about? What was the movie's subject? When and where did you watch it? When did you see it and where? And from paraphrasing statements, the movie's intricate themes were thought-provoking. The complex subject of the film stimulated deep thinking. The captivating storytelling of the film left an indelible mark on me. The engaging way the story was told made a lasting impression. And lastly, paraphrasing the scriptures, which you're on your own for. As always, thank you very much for listening. I'll see you on the next one.